Here's a fact most people don't realize. The person who insults you in public is usually more prepared than you are. Not physically, mentally. They've already rehearsed the line. They've already imagined the laughter. They've already decided the frame. That's why in that moment, your mind freezes. Your heart races. And later that night, all the perfect replies show up. Too late. This isn't weakness, it's biology. And today, I'm going to show you how to reverse that mental warfare calmly, cleanly, and without turning into a loud clown. By the end of this video, you'll know how to stay composed under social attack, flip power dynamics instantly, and walk away with respect, not regret. This isn't about winning arguments, it's about owning the room. Hey, this is Sabnaz and welcome to MYNDFEX. MYNDFEX, where mental strength meets real life. This isn't another self-help channel filled with theories you'll never use. This isn't about motivational speeches that fade by lunchtime. And this definitely isn't about fake confidence or pretending to be someone you're not. MYNDFEX is where psychology meets strategy, where silence becomes power, where your mind becomes your most reliable weapon, not in aggression, but in control. What you'll get here, real-world psychological strategies, tested in actual social situations, not just textbooks. Mental frameworks that help you stay calm when others try to shake you. Practical tools you can apply today, at work, at college, in relationships, in conversations. No fluff, no filler, just clarity. Because I've been there. The moment someone embarrasses you in public and your brain goes silent. The night you replay what you should have said over and over. The frustration of feeling mentally unprepared in situations that mattered. I spent years studying human behavior, psychology, and social dynamics. Not to manipulate people, but to understand the game most people don't even know they're playing. And now, I'm here to share what actually works. If you freeze under pressure and hate it. If you've been insulted in public and didn't know how to respond. If you want to be mentally sharp, emotionally stable, and socially untouchable. If you're tired of loud advice and want quiet strength instead, then MYNDFEX is your place. Why mental dominance matters. Every competitive situation in life, in college, office, friendships, relationships, business, runs on one invisible currency, psychological control. Whoever controls emotions controls perception, and whoever controls perception controls outcomes. Most people lose social battles not because they're wrong, but because they react emotionally. Today, I'll walk you through 7 practical strategies designed to be practiced over 7 days that will help you mentally outperform difficult people without shouting, insulting, or over-explaining. No manipulation fantasies, just real human psychology. Why people freeze under pressure. You've been there. You're in a group. The vibe is light. Then someone says, "Why are you always so boring? That outfit looks ancient." Let it be, you're not built for this. People laugh. Your mind goes blank. Your chest tightens. Your mouth won't move. Later, alone, your brain suddenly works perfectly. Here's what actually happens. Your brain treats public ridicule as a social threat. The amygdala takes over. Your logical, creative brain goes offline. Fight, flight, freeze. Most people freeze. So stop calling yourself slow. The real question isn't why you froze. The real question is, how do you stay in control next time? Strategy 1. The power of silence. When someone takes a shot at you, your instinct is to respond immediately. That's a mistake. Instead, pause. Stand straight. Relax your shoulders. Look at them calmly. No anger. No nervous smile. Silence creates pressure. They expected embarrassment, justification, aggression. When none comes, the discomfort shifts to them. Silence is not weakness. It's unclaimed authority. Strategy 2. Slow down the frame. Day 2. Speed reveals anxiety. Slow speech signals control. When you reply, speak slower than usual. Use fewer words. Lower your tone slightly. People don't follow the loudest person. They follow the calmest one. If you rush, you lose the frame. Ask, don't attack. Day 3. Instead of defending yourself, ask a neutral question. Why do you say that? What exactly was funny? Can you explain? Humor dies when explained. Mockery collapses under scrutiny. Now they're justifying themselves, and you're observing. The power has shifted. Strategic agreement, day 4. This is advanced. Use carefully. Agree, but exaggerate. If they say, "You're always late," you reply, "True, I'm testing a new theory on time zones." You didn't deny, you didn't get defensive, you removed the sting. People can't attack what you already own. Selective ignoring, day 5. Not every comment deserves oxygen. For low-effort jabs, ignore completely. Change the topic instantly. That reminds me, did you see yesterday's match? This signals this comment didn't even register. High-status people don't respond to everything. Body language alignment, day 6. Your body speaks before you do. Checklist, shoulders back, chin neutral, still posture, minimal gestures. Nervous movement equals low confidence, stillness equals authority. Train this daily. Mental rehearsal, day 7. Spend 5 minutes a day rehearsing. Someone mocks your work, your style, your habits. Visualize calm responses. Your brain doesn't know the difference between rehearsal and reality. Prepared mind equals controlled response. The core insight. Here's the truth most people miss. You don't win by embarrassing others. You win by staying unshaken. The moment you stop trying to win the comeback and start maintaining composure, you become untouchable. That's real dominance. Summary. Let's recap the 7 strategies. Silence over reaction. Slow speech, fewer words. Questions over defense. Strategic agreement. Selective ignoring controlled body language. Mental rehearsal. These aren't tricks, they're habits. Practice them, and your presence will change. Now I want to hear from you. What was the most uncomfortable social moment you faced, where you froze but later knew what to say? Drop it in the comments. If you want a part 2 on advanced mental control or confidence under pressure, watch the next video on your screen. No noise, no ego, just control. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's build the quiet, lethal confidence together. This is MYNDFEX, this is Sabnas, and your mental upgrade starts now. Drop a comment below. What's one social situation you want to handle better?